Assalamualaikum. This is Yumna Cooking Creation. Today I am making ice cream sundae cookie cup. For this we require 1.5 cup of flour, half cup of melted butter, half cup of brown sugar, half cup of white sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking soda, and chocolate chips for chocolate coating. First we cream butter, white sugar, and brown sugar. With the help of electric beater. We cream all these together. Now we add egg and vanilla extract. And we mix it well. Now we add baking soda and salt in flour, and we add the flour while shifting in the egg and butter mixture. Now we mix this to form a dough. Now our cookie dough is ready and we place it in a muffin tray. We divide the dough into 12 equal parts. Now we place it in a muffin tray. Now we place the cookie tray in a preheat oven at 50 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for 12 to 15 minutes. Now we take the tray out from the oven. Now we place it with a small water in the center to make it a cup. Now our cups are formed and we take it out when it cools down. For chocolate coating, we take 1 tablespoon of butter and half cup of chocolate chip. We combine it and melt it in the microwave oven. Now we coat the chocolate on the edges of cookie cup. Now I am preparing sundae cookie cup. I sprinkle some chocolate on top of ice cream. My sundae cups are ready to serve.